The luckiest St. Patrick's Day ever! Written by Teddy Slater. Illustrated by Ethan Long. Top of the morning! It's March 17. The leprechaun family is all wearing green. St. Patrick's Day parade is about to begin. The wee ones are marching. Come on, let's join in! There goes Bedelia, leading the clan, arm in arm with Granddaddy Dan. She swings her shillelagh, they walk and talk gaily, moving as fast as they can. Timothy Shaughnessy, handsome and bold, marches along with a big pot of gold. And here comes Aunt Rose, tap-tapping her toes. With shamrocks in hand, she follows the band, decked out in her very best clothes. Toodle-dee-toot, rum-a-tum-tum, Johnny and Jack play the fife and the drum. They kick up their heels in a wild Irish jig. Everyone's dancing, even the pig. After the march, it's back home for lunch. Mulligan stew and green apple punch. Kate cuts the cabbage, Pat shells the peas. The mischievous children do just as they please. Friends and family keep coming to call. There's plenty of food for one and for all. The Caseys, McGregors, O'Grady's, Pig Finn. Everyone's welcome. Please, won't you come in? Lassies and laddies stream through the door until there's no room for one caller more. The leprechauns crowd round the dining room table, piling their plates as high as they're able. But before they dig in, they have one thing to say. May the luck of the Irish be with you today. Happy St. Patrick's Day! Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe. Want to check out the last story we read? Here's the link. Do you have a favorite book you want read aloud? Leave it in the comments below.